Us humans have always worked towards making our lives easier and better, and this constant struggle to achieve something better worked as bliss for humans. Isn't it so fascinating to look back at our cave-dwelling ancestors and realize how far we have advanced as humans? We went through various milestones to achieve the technology we have today. As we further surpassed in technology, we stumbled upon exploring artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence, AI, we have today is in a golden age right now. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of our daily lives, and there are several different types of AI that we interact with. Here are some of the main types of AI in daily life. Rule-based AI, also known as expert systems, uses a set of predefined rules to make decisions. This type of AI is commonly used in chatbots, customer service systems, and recommendation engines. Machine learning AI. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows systems to learn and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. This type of AI is commonly used in image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Deep learning AI. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn and improve over time. This type of AI is commonly used in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. Natural language processing, NLP, AI. NLP is a type of AI that enables machines to understand and interpret human language. This type of AI is commonly used in virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots, and translation services. Computer vision AI. Computer vision is a type of AI that enables machines to interpret and analyze visual information from the world around them. This type of AI is commonly used in security systems, facial recognition technology, and self-driving cars. Robotics AI. Robotics AI involves creating intelligent robots that can perform tasks that would typically require human intervention. This type of AI is commonly used in manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics.